Hello guys. Now we will see how to install the Terraform over the Mac. For Mac we have one utility available which is brew. Brew will act like a yum and apt. For We are using yum over the CentOS, Red Hat and Fedora, and we are using apt over the Ubuntu to install the packages. Same like that we have a brew command available over the Mac, and it will act as a package manager. So we have to use the brew commands. If brew command is not set up over the Mac, first you have to set up the brew. Documentation available over the internet. You just need to set up the brew. After that, brew tab and hashicorp. It will add the hashicorp repositories uh, over the brew. Once it's done, we need to install the hashicorp Terraform using the brew command. Once the installation completed, we just need to fire the Terraform command. We can check the version using -v option. Thanks guys.